Hello everyone, welcome back to Bar Run Forge. It is another Monday morning tool video. Today we're going to be making a hand fuller. Stick around. Right, so we are going to be taking a piece of coil spring and we'll flatten it out, make it into a handle shape, and then with the fuller we're going to be making so we can set it down on a swage block. And when you've got a piece of material sitting inside that little dip with the swage block, you can push it in and make that impression as you go inside the swage block and helps form it into there. So that's what we're going to be making. Stick around. Right, so the first thing we're going to do is just straighten this out. If you can get it in, you push a hole. Easy way to do it. Whatever way works best. Probably take a couple heats to do it. But just getting a straight piece is the goal at first. Now that we've gotten it straightened out, we're going to work on the struck end right here and basically just make a small square, a small octagon taper, and that'll be the end that we hit. All right, so we're just gonna make this real simple, put a 4-sided taper and then knock it down to an 8-sided taper. So now that we've got that, we are going to take and upset this end a little bit. That way we can add a little bit more mass to the end that we're going to be making for the fuller end. So basically we're going to take on the working end here and bring it out to a flat point. The final shaping and stuff will be done with the grinder. This is just to get the rough profile of the size of the fuller here. That's a little ugly, but we'll take it and we'll get it on the grinder and we'll get it to the final shape. So now we're gonna flatten it out a little bit on the handle just to kind of give you a index on this side for your hand. All right, just make sure you've got it in line with your working end and then just adding a small flat part there where you can index it. the goal here is just to put a little bit of a V right there to match it. That way when we're punching down into that swedge block, that you've got a piece that matches the degree that it's going in. Now that we've got a hardened fuller, we are going to stick it back in the fire. We've already got it in the fire, and it's going to go ahead, and we'll go ahead and temper it back. That way whenever we're using it, we don't have any problems with it breaking or busting apart. So I won't show you all of that, but that's what we're doing right now, is tempering it back up. All right, so there we have it. Have our hand fuller all set and ready to go. Our edges are set. If you ever use it on the swedge block here, fits perfectly down in there. So if you use this for taking a flat piece of stock that you're working on and trying to get an even crease in there, use this. That way whenever you're hitting on it, it brings that stock nice and neat, work it down. That way it works in that degree and that angle in very nicely. So there you have it. Thank you guys so much for jumping in. We appreciate all the support. Be sure to like the video, share it with your friends. Check us out every Thursday. We have a live stream every Thursday at 6 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. Hit the notification bell so you're alerted every single time that we've got new content. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, check us out on all the social media. We also have a website, www.barrunforge.com. Again, thank you guys so much. God bless you all. Take care. We'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.